Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest the love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so today ang gagawin natin ay ang no contact love reading. So alamin natin kung ano yung current situation between you and your person na you're not in contact with. Okay? So, this is a general and collective love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. And this no contact love reading ay para sa lahat ng fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So yeah, tingnan natin kung ano masasabi ko ng energy. And while shuffling, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng fire signs na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated ng suporta ninyo. Please continue to support by liking this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung mag-resonate ang reading after watching until the end. And para sa lahat ng bago, sana supportahan nyo rin po by subscribing to my channel. And thank you so much. Okay. So, bubunot ako ng cards from this deck supported by cards from this deck. Okay. At gaya na sabi ko kanina, this is a general and collective love reading. So, pwedeng mag-resonate sa inyo, pwedeng hindi. Kapag hindi, huwag pilitin. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na. Better yet, book a personal and private love reading. Nasa email lang naman yun. Nasa description box lang naman yung email ko. That's what I mean. Alright. Sige, let's begin. So, what's the current situation between you and your person? Okay, alamin natin. Bakit kayo in no contact? Okay. Okay. Sorry. Umadog. Ayan. I'll get the 7th card. So, your current energy regarding the situation and towards your person that you're not in contact with. Okay, the Fool. Okay, supported by Six of Swords. Yeah. Actually, on your end, you're moving on with the Six of Swords here. It's medyo, I think there was a breakup. That's why you're in no contact now with your person in mind. And now you're on a healing journey. So medyo nandun ka na sa moving on stage. Ayan. And letting go of that past relationship. And with the Fool card here, yan, in-embrace mo na yung panibagong simula or new beginning for yourself, and open ka na rin to engage with someone else. Okay, and I think parang okay ka na. I can see na okay ka na, despite the past events na nangyari with your person. Okay, pero tingnan natin. So, what's the current energy naman? Ano yung energy naman ng person mo that you're no longer in contact with? Oh, Four of Wands. And Knight of Cups. Okay, your person is also, I think, mas nauna siyang nag-move on sa'yo. With regards to, I mean, this no contact situation between you and this person, your person, I can even see na ano na siya, nagkaroon na siya ng parang new connection with someone. Given with the Four of Wands and Eight of Cups, which is an action regarding feelings, emotions, and then the Four of Wands is a new milestone in life. I can sense na kung ikaw parang recently nag-move on pa lang and although na-let go mo na rin yung past relationship na to with your person, mas nauna pa to, itong person na to. But don't feel na parang, ay, ano naman, unfair, ang bilis niya mag-move on. May kanya-kanya kasi tayong timeline when it comes to moving on and healing. So, with your person, ano siya, there's already I wouldn't say na your person, for some, pwede, that your person is already in a different relationship. For some, mas nakafocus na rin sila sa ibang aspeto ng kanilang life. And I can sense na may ano pa rin, alam mo yun, parang hindi ka naman din nawala sa isip nitong tao na to. Parang you were part of his or her life naman. But this person, decided din na lang to move forward at hindi ka na gambalain din. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano yung situation with currently with the no contact. How this no contact will proceed. Will it continue? Will there be initiation as friends or totally wala na talaga? Let's see. Nine of Wands. Okay. And the High Priestess. Okay. There's a possibility of na magkaroon ulit ng contact between you and your person, but as parang friends na lang. Pero it will take time kasi with the Nine of Wands, which is a card of resilience, and then si High Priestess kasi is a card of intuition, yung following your intuition. So parang tinatansya nyo muna sa sarili nyo, and same with the other person, parang ina-assess muna nila if ready na ba din sila to make contact with you. And I believe that you have the same feeling towards this person na parang sige, tapusin ko muna tong healing journey ko, mag-focus din muna ako sa mga bagay na dapat kong i-prioritize or mga bagay na neglect ko while in that relationship. So I can sense na may in your mind and even in your person's mind na inisip din naman nila na mag-reach out but not soon. Parang ang nakikita ko dito is your person, actually mas lalo pa yung person mo. Kasi 'di ba mas mas parang para sa kanya, parang ayaw ka na niya ring guluhin. Kasi he also or she also believes na you're better off without him or her. Okay? But with the nine of wands here, um, aside from resilience, kasi resilience, there's also this persistence energy. Meaning na once na dumating na yung point na parang, kasi ano siya parang enduring a challenge. And this is a challenge, yung no contact situation. After ng pinagsamahan ninyo, syempre, for this person, yun nga, parang hinihintay din niya na maging ready siya kapag nagkaroon ng opportunity to reconnect. And same with you. And some more nine of wands energy also has this being cautious. Alam mo yun, yung parang medyo guarded yung heart niya because of what happened nga din in the past. So, you're not really closing doors or even this person, pero parang hindi mo na sa ngayon. Okay? And with the High Priestess energy attached to it, meron naman kayong parang nagkaroon naman kayo ng soul level connection. Kasi, so yung bond ninyo naging okay, pero it didn't really work out yung relationship. Pero alam nyo rin na kapag nag-reconnect kayo after matapos tong no contact situation, both of you will be okay and will be parang accepted nyo na friends lang kayo, ganun. So, and yun nga, hindi nyo sinasara yung doors and even windows sa friendship. And talagang pinapakiramdaman ninyo so ina-assess ng puso at isip ninyo kung ready na ba kayo to even see this person or catch up with this person, ganun. So wala pa, parang hindi pa siya dumating sa point na yun. Nandun pa rin siya sa stage na you're keeping it to yourself muna, na sige, saka ko na din iisipin kapag talagang na-feel ko na ready na ako din to break the no contact situation. So for both of you, it's working. It's helping both of you to really move on from the past relationship. And I can see nga, lalo na sa'yo, you've decided really to let go of the past and move forward and start anew, which is good. So, sige, i-rearrange lang natin to. And I can see na happy ka. Happy ka na parang yung ganung feeling na finally nakapag-move on na ako. Yung ganun. So, sige. And the final pair is ano yung next steps na for you. Let's see what are your next steps now with regards to this situation. I mean, yeah, you're moving on, pero ano na yung mga susunod mo pang mga steps? And may message din from the universe. Okay? Ano yung kailangan mo nang gawin? Oh, okay. Eight of Cups. Again, letting go talaga. Wala. Parang sinasabi lang din talaga ni universe na, yeah, tama yung ginagawa mo. Na mag-let go ka na. Yeah. Although, again, so, next steps, parang you're letting go. However, with the Seven of Cups, ito, aminin mo man that, hindi. Pero nasasakop ng energy, I mean, for this reading, for some of you, with the Eight of Cups, which is letting go. Tapos, bali, parang atras siya to Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups kasi meron siyang parang wishful thinking lang or fantasy lang na um, what could have been kung in the past na gawa to or na-resolve to or napag-usapan to. May mga ganun pa rin na lingering energy sa iyo na parang super ready ka na to really move on. And yeah, with the Eight of Cups, it resonated din siya with the Six of Swords. It has this similar energy. Okay? However, with the Eight of Cups, more on the emotion. Letting go of the emotions or the feelings. Yung Six of Swords, more on letting go of the thoughts, or even the idea of even like reconciling or getting back together. Yon. So parang both, which is good kasi with the Six of Swords and Eight of Cups, which is both cards of moving on in both mind and heart. So totally okay ka na talaga. Kasi parehong puso at isip mo ang nagle-let go na dun sa situation. Although, meron ka lang talaga din na parang thoughts or nafe-feel na parang, what if na-resolve namin, no? Siguro ganito. Or what if itong major conflict na nag-cause ng no contact situation or ending ng relationship na-resolve, what could have been, baka ganito yung nangyari, or baka ito yung present situation, ito yung future situation. May mga ganun. Pero, alam mong tanggap mo na rin sa sarili mo na goods na. Parang end of chapter na. Tapos na siya. So, yeah, and it really helps na yung acceptance. Kasi yung makakatulong sa atin, mas stuck sa past and ma-enjoy yung present and ma-move forward talaga sa future. Okay? So we'll see this reading with two oracle cards. Okay? Which will the final message of the universe for you. Balang represent itong reading na ito. Sa Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Sige. First card, mag-work, and Snowdrop. Yan. Simple pa. So, lang natin. Hindi nakita. Alam ko na. Mugwort and Snowdrop. Ayan. So, si Mugwort is a card of acceptance. Diba? And that transition, in a way that you're transitioning from the past to the present and then to the future na accepted mo na dahil accepted mo na yung situation. Hindi ka na stuck, basically. And with the Snowdrop, it's a card of humility and comfort. Alam mo yun, na parang, di ba minsan, part of acceptance kasi is yung, natin, na, towards the universe na, ito na nga yun, parang, I accepted it with humility. And at the same time, alam nyo, ang Snowdrop is also has this energy of friendship. Kaya ito yun. Once both of you are ready naman, you'll be okay as friends. Wala naman akong nakikita na parang talagang grudges. Na may grudges ka or resentment towards this person. And even your person also don't have any grudges or resentment towards you. So, it's something good. Kaya, yeah, if this resonated, yeah, yeah, like nyo na yung video and comment below. Also, use my readings with discernment. Sana nakatulong at nabigyan kayo ng guidance at insight sa current situation ninyo. Okay, so kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa akin channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Ingat!